Nellis Air Force Base is in Las Vegas, Nevada. It is one of the largest fighter Air Force bases in the world. They reached out to Concession Nation in 2020 to build a spectacular 8x30 concession trailer, and in 2021 to build an 18-foot food truck. The U.S. government has been utilizing mobile kitchens to feed American soldiers. On the exterior of the 8x30 trailer, they have an awesome custom wrap. They also have a TV, speakers, and exterior lights. As you take a look on the inside, it has refrigeration, plenty of work table and shelving space, and ice bins. Under the 9-foot hood is a fryer, 36-inch griddle, 36-inch broiler, and it also has a beer draft with 2 kegs, a sandwich prep, and a proofer heater cabinet. On the exterior of the 18-foot food truck is a similar wrap as you see on the 8x30 trailer. There's also a TV, an 18-foot awning to protect customers from the elements. On the inside of the food truck, there's a steam table and cabinetry and shelving space. Under the 8-foot hood is a 2-burners hot plate, 24-inch broiler, a 24-inch griddle, a 24-inch salamander, and a deep fryer. There's also work table space, a sandwich prep station, and refrigeration. Concession Nation is the preferred food truck builder of the U.S. Army, the U.S. Air Force, and the U.S. Navy. Are you in the market for a food truck or a food trailer? Call Concession Nation today.